Hey guys, today we're gonna make banana cake. We're gonna need 2 medium-sized bananas. Take a fork and mash it. Now that we're finished mashing, we're gonna put melted butter, some brown sugar, and 1 large egg. Use a whisk to mix it all together. Add in some vanilla extract. Mix. And 1 tablespoon of milk powder. A pinch of salt. Some cake flour. Mix together. Half teaspoon of baking soda. And half teaspoon of baking powder. Put the batter aside and take some oil and coat the tray in it. And we're gonna pour the batter into the tray. Now we're gonna put it in the preheated oven at 175 degrees for 35 minutes. Okay guys, so now the banana cake is ready. You can get the full recipe in the description down below. It's soft and moist. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye!